Another day, another story. The RMS Titanic, a British passenger liner that met a tragic fate during its maiden voyage, remains one of the most iconic and captivating stories in maritime history. The ship's untimely sinking in 1912, after striking an iceberg, shocked the world and continues to intrigue people to this day. Here are 10 compelling facts about the Titanic that highlight its grandeur, its ill-fated journey, and the enduring legacy it has left behind. Here are the top 10 facts about the Titanic. Number 1. Grandeur and Luxury. The Titanic was one of the most opulent and extravagant ships of its time, featuring luxurious amenities like a swimming pool, gymnasium, and a grand staircase. Number 2. Maiden Voyage. The ship embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, on April 10, 1912, bound for New York City, carrying over 2,200 passengers and crew. Number 3. Collision with an iceberg. On the night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean, causing severe damage to the hull. Number 4. Lack of lifeboats. The Titanic had an insufficient number of lifeboats, enough to accommodate only about one-third of the people on board. Number 5. Rapid sinking. After the collision, the Titanic began sinking rapidly, disappearing beneath the icy waters of the Atlantic in just over 2 hours and 40 minutes. Number 6. Lives lost. Of the 2,224 people on board, more than 1,500 lost their lives in the disaster due to the limited number of lifeboats and a lack of efficient evacuation procedures. Number 7. Wireless distress call. The Titanic's wireless operators sent out distress signals after the collision, which were picked up by other nearby ships. The RMS Carpathia responded and rescued over 700 survivors. Number 8. Investigations and regulations. The sinking of the Titanic led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, including the creation of the International Ice Patrol and the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, treaty. Number 9. Rediscovery. The wreckage of the Titanic wasn't discovered until 1985, nearly 73 years after its sinking. Oceanographer Robert Ballard and his team located the shipwreck over 12,000 feet below the ocean's surface. Number 10. Cultural impact. The Titanic's story has been the subject of numerous books, films, and documentaries, with James Cameron's 1997 film, Titanic, becoming one of the highest-grossing movies of all time. The ship's legacy endures in popular culture and serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of safety at sea. The Titanic's tragic journey remains a powerful and poignant tale, reminding us of the consequences of human error and the enduring fascination with one of the most famous maritime disasters in history. Thanks for watching.